What is going on, guys? It's Newman here and you're welcome back to my channel. As always, on this channel I make videos on cryptocurrencies, forex trading, generally how to make money online and to make profitable use of the internet. So if this is your first time joining us, of course subscribe to the channel and also don't forget to like this video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a Deriv account. For those of you who don't know what Deriv is a forex broker. Okay, not really forex, but a trading broker. A broker is like a company or a firm that gives you a chance to trade on the financial market, be it forex trading, synthetics, want to trade commodities like gold and so on. You want to trade like stock trading, okay, where you can buy stocks or buy shares in Apple, Tesla and so on. Yeah, that's what a broker does. So Deriv is a broker that helps you in synthetics trading. So that's just a little intro for that. I'll be showing you how to create an account for the first time. This sounds like something you're interested in. Please don't skip through the video. Make sure you watch to the end so that you can understand everything. So I'll get right into it. Over here you have sign up and login. I already have an account, but for the sake of this video I'll click on sign up. Over here you have to enter your email address. Below here you can see Google, Facebook and Apple. So if you have a Gmail account or an Apple account or Facebook account, especially for Gmail, I'll advise that you just tap on Gmail to make everything easier for you. If you don't have a Google account, I just made a video on how to create a Google account for free. You can check that out. I'll leave the link in the description below. So I'm just going to select Google. Okay, then select one of the accounts. It's taking a bit to load. Okay. So yeah, just like that, my Deriv account is created. But there's still a few more things to be done. As you can see, this is a demo account. You can see I have 10,000 USD. That is like virtual money. That's not real money. Okay, so it's a demo account. But I want to show you how to create a live trading account. So you see at the top here, you have the real and then the demo. I'll just go on real and then add. The US dollar. Okay, if you want to create one with cryptocurrencies, maybe you have a Bitcoin wallet, you have Litecoin, USDT, but I'm just going to use dollar for now and then click on next. So over here you input your name. Just going to fill this quickly. Okay. Your date of birth. So I'm just going to select. Here you input your active phone number. Okay, and then you click on next. So it's going to ask for your address, your town, your city, your state, province, and then your postal or zip code. Okay, so I'm just going to do that briefly. Greater Accra, Ghana. Zip code 233. Done. Tap on next. So at this point, you have to upload your national ID. So here in Ghana, we use Ghana card, use driver's license and passport, and also SNIT card. I do not have a SNIT card. I'm just going to tap on. And then here, I'll use my Ghana card here. So for those of you in Ghana, you can just tap on the social security, or you tap on the SNIT, and then you input your Ghana card number here. So when doing that, you make sure there are no hyphens or dash inside, and you should be good to go. So here you are given some terms and conditions, risk, and so on. Of course, trading is risky. You need to know what you are getting into. Okay, so you just read and then tap on I agree to the terms and conditions. You just tick the boxes there, and then so just like that, I've just created my Deriv US dollar account. Maybe later. So over here you can see that my balance at the top is 0.00 USD. So that is how you create a live, as you can see, it's a real account or a live account, anyhow you want to call it. So that is how you create a Deriv account. So if you're enjoying this video, be sure to like it, to subscribe, and then also leave your comments in the comment section below. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to attend to your questions. So that's it for today's video. I'll be making more videos on how to deposit and also how to withdraw from your Deriv account. I'll leave the links in the description below. Thank you for watching.